was supposed to stay retired.
You don't reactivate someone like him unless things are already broken.
We need you back.
I'm retired.
3 agents are already dead. Someone breached the system. If this gets released, people disappear.
Who am I then?
You're not hunting anyone. Penthouse 47F, Midtown high-riser. She has the drive, if they haven't gotten to her already.
I've been expecting you. Make yourself a drink. I'll be out in a second.
He's upstairs.
Do not let him leave alive.